Hello staff, this is certainly a little different video than I'm used to doing for us with me being on camera, but I want to show you how you can utilize the document camera stand and your staff iPad to essentially replace the document camera in your classroom. So what you're going to do is very simply is with your new iPad case, when you open it up you can magnetically stick that little flap to the back. Then as you fold the case open, of course, you don't want to fold it completely open because it will cover that lens there. But if you flip this inside, it will stay magnetically attached as well. And you can, of course, see your camera right here is visible for you. Then, on your iPad, you, of course, are going to, number one, connect to your Apple TV in your classroom. So simply doing that from your iPad, you pull down the right-hand side, you screen mirror by tapping on screen mirroring and finding the Apple TV in your classroom to connect to. Once you've done that, it will be projected up onto your screen. You're connected through your iPad, just like you would connect your Mac. And then once that is done, to turn this into a dock cam, you can simply do one of two things. Number one, you open the camera app, and you can leave it on this, and then as you place your iPad in the stand, you now have essentially a document camera where you can write and draw and model. Or if you want to take it off the photo, what you can do is turn this to video and tap the record, and what this will then do is, again, still projecting, still capturing what you're doing underneath the document camera modeling. But when you do video record, it actually is going to video record your modeling, your thought process, your lesson for your students. Therefore, if you wanted to record that and then post that in Canvas or post that somewhere else, you'd be able to do that for your students. But again, that's very simple, how you can simply fold over that case, keeping the camera visible for you there, making sure you're connected to the Apple TV in your classroom, tapping on the camera app. If it's defaulted to photo, you can simply just set this in your dot cam and then model below. Or if you set it to video, you can also set in your dot cam, tap the record button, and it will record your modeling below for your students.